This 2018 Jayco Seismic 4113 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 45 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 7, awning, oven, DVD player, stovetop burner, air conditioning, skylight, slide-out, leveling jacks, TV, and 136 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Seismic 4113 is 16,420 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.